Okay, let's move on. My camera was just out of focus for a minute there. So there is my center line at around 35, at 35 exactly, and my other center line at 35. So what we need to do now, we need a square that will contain our circle, particularly the big one. Let's start with the big one. That square should contain our circle in order to draw that isometric circle. We'll start with the square first. Without the square, you won't get it right. So as you can see, the length of that square is going to be the big diameter. This diameter here is 60. That will be 60. So half of 60 is 30 on both sides, even here, 30 all around. So from our center lines, we're going to measure 30 on both sides, left and right, and 30 up and down. Let me take my compass and set it to 30. 30 will be there. So I'll put it in the center and I will make a mark on my center line 30, there and there, all around like that. And now I am going to draw an isometric square there. So there is my isometric square. So what's next is I need to extrude, meaning to bring up. I have a square there. To extrude, I need 20. I'll pull it up by 30. In engineering term, we say it's extrusion. I need to draw it again 20 millimeter higher. So what do I need right now? I'll go to all of these corners. I will do extension lines that are going up. And then after that, I'll measure a distance of about 20 higher. Again, I'm going to set my compass to 22 centimeter. I'll mark there. Actually, there's no need to mark on the other side. Let me mark anyway. And then I'll just join those lines. So far everything is construction. It must be very, very light because of it's not the final drawing we are doing. All of our construction lines are supposed to be very light. So there is our box. And then I have lines inside here that I am not going to use. So I can erase them because of they will be on the way of my isometric circles. To avoid confusion, you can erase all the lines inside because we are not going to use them, and you can leave the ones outside for now. So what's next? Our center lines. Let's do the same thing with our center lines. Let's bring them up. You can redraw them if you will, but I prefer to bring them up from there. Only on these two sides, to avoid remeasuring again, over and over again. Here's my first center line, and there is my second center line. Well, I need an intersection here.